name is Shatash Raj. I'm working as Senior Data Analyst with Capgemini. And I would like to welcome you all to my another video in which I'm about to share the biggest achievement of my life till date, which is this. So you must be wondering what is this, right? So this is the basically joining kit of my dream company, which is Gartner. A few days before, I gave an interview for the role of Business Analyst, and by grace of God and by everything, I got selected there, and this is what I have received. So let's go together and unbox this and see what is there for me. So मैंने finally ये kit खोल लिया है. अब देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या है. My God. ये बहुत बड़ा लैपटॉप बैग है. Amazing. If you can see the company. 15.6 इंच का ये एक लैपटॉप बैग है, which is of very good quality और बहुत heavy है, बहुत अच्छा है. So let's just check इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. You check. Let's open the bag. सबसे पहले है, my God, this is I think very good headphones. Number one thing which you get in Gartner. Number two, I think it's a mic. Whoa, mic in manual. Now उसके बाद, oh God, this is the third thing of Gartner. Oh, amazing! Whoa, wonderful water bottle from Gartner. This is amazing. और उसके बाद और देखते हैं क्या है इसके अंदर. एक और चीज है भाई. Oh my God! Now what is this? Just cut it. क्या है ये? Oh sorry. अच्छा, चार्जर. तो कुछ और समझ रहा था यार, कुछ अच्छा होता. Anyways, चार्जर भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छे पैकेट में आया है. And now what we have is amazing laptop. कुछ और है इसमें, कुछ और तो नहीं है. और बैग भी बहुत अच्छा है. बैग की क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. If you can see, very high quality premium बैग. और लैपटॉप तो सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा है. Let's just see इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. Let me just unbox it. कौन सा लैपटॉप आया है, क्या है, देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं. I think it's Lenovo ThinkPad. My goodness. Oh my God. Beautiful. So thick, so slim. बहुत हल्का है, बहुत खूबसूरत है. I think it's Lenovo ThinkPad. Thank you Gartner for this amazing stuff. My God, this looks like so sexy.
i7 है.
It's i7 core ThinkPad from Lenovo, and this is really amazing. I think ये screen touch भी होगा शायद.
देखना.
This is so cool, so amazing. Best part ये जो मैं ये देख रहा हूँ, बेस्ट पार्ट है ये. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये वाटर बॉटल. इनफैक्ट मेरे को Capgemini से भी कुछ ऐसा ही मिला था. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. नो, इट्स नॉट स्क्रीन टच. ओके, ये गार्टनर का है लैपटॉप. दिस इज अमेजिंग. एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट ओपन द अनदर बॉक्स. ये डब्बे का जो इसमें आया था, which is if you can see, let's just see इसके अंदर क्या है. So here we have amazing headphones and the mic. Wow. Amazing. So this is, I really want to say, this is the class, this is the really a level when you work for one of the best companies of the globe, which is Gartner. किस तरह का ये वेलकम करते हैं, किस तरह का फिट देते हैं. ये भी मेरे को Capgemini से भी कुछ सिमिलर फिट मिला था, but the kind of standard and the kind of level which Gartner is carrying, it's really amazing. Even from the quality of the bag, from the packaging, from everything, I'm telling you, this is really so cool. Now let's move ahead for the, I think इसके अंदर एक mouse होना चाहिए या फिर क्या है, let's just check. So, just yes, it is a mouse from Lenovo, and this is such an amazing thing. Wow! So this is the complete kit which I have received from Gartner. Amazing, wonderful, so beautiful, so amazing. So this is all what we have. So जल्दी एक बार और मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Number one thing, this is a very beautiful water bottle from Gartner. Number one. Second is this mouse of Lenovo only. Second is beautiful headphones which I can use for my music as well. Number 4, amazing laptop i7 Intel core processor of ThinkPad of Lenovo. Amazing, very sexy look, very slim, very thin and lightweighted actually. So this is what you get from Gartner when you join this company. So guys, as we have unboxed the video और हम देख चुके हैं उसके अंदर कितना amazing welcome kit है Gartner का. So if you really like this video, I request you all to please like this video, subscribe my channel, as I have something very interesting news coming up for all of you, which is like how I started my career. Like I'm from commerce background, how I got into data science, what things I did, my interview experience with Capgemini, with Microsoft, with Gartner. I'll share all of that. So for staying updated, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and definitely you can mail me whenever you want if you're looking for a job in Gartner. I'll also share my mail address in the description. So share your resume, keep supporting, keep helping, and love you all, and thank you all for all your blessing. And I'm really happy. Thank you very much.